What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money on YouTube without recording videos. Okay, how you can make $1,000 a day, $2,000 a day, or if you don't need much, you can be making $100 a day easily with this method and with this course. Okay, so stay tuned for the video. Okay, but before I get into the content, go ahead, if you are not already a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I'm coming up with daily content. Well, it hasn't been daily lately, but consistent content teaching you how to create a life that you want, a life of freedom, a life that you can do what you're passionate about, a life where you can travel and go wherever you want to for however long you want to, with whomever you want to, right? So you can create that life creating a consistent amount of money. So go ahead. If you like that kind of content, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Right now, you can hit the red button on the screen that says subscribe, or you can go to my channel and subscribe there, all right? So if you're at this video, that means you want to learn how to make money on YouTube without making videos, right? Or without being in front of a camera like I am making videos. It's quite simple and it's easy. At any time in this video, if you want to just go ahead and jump straight into the course that I'm going to recommend for you to take, that I'm taking right now, to teach you just exactly how to do it step by step, go ahead and check the link out in the description. It's the first link down in my description that teaches you exactly step by step how to do it. All right. And I'm going to show you the back office of the course. The course is by Jonathan Mackey. I never know how to pronounce his last name. So Jonathan, I'm sorry. His channel is called By 9 to 5. If you want to check that out, you can go to his channel and check it out. Here's Jordan. Sorry, not Jonathan. Jordan Mackey, right here. He's a cool guy, down to earth, very relatable. And this is the home page or the sign up page for the course. So the course is called Make Money on YouTube Made Easy, and it's a 2019 edition. One thing about Jordan's course, he has multiple courses. He has a YouTube course, and he also has a Shopify, how to make money on Shopify course, all through teachable.com. But the good thing about Jordan's courses is he updates them as things changes. As we all know, YouTube has a lot of changes, or goes through a lot of changes constantly, right? And it's important that when we enroll in courses, purchase these courses that are supposed to teach us the latest and greatest. Well, we need the latest and greatest, because what happens 2 years from now, where the techniques and strategies taught in this course right now are no longer effective? Well, that's the good thing about Jordan's course. He goes in and he updates the content regularly when changes to YouTube and changes to Shopify, or whatever his courses deal with, adjusts. He adjusts as the content and as the tools that he uses adjust. Okay. But with Make Money on YouTube Made Easy, like I said, here's the homepage where you can go in and enroll in the course. Here's Jordan here. Jordan will basically give a rundown of what the course is all about and how you can really make money on YouTube. Like, I'm talking a consistent, large amount of money on YouTube just by AdSense. You don't have to deal with affiliate marketing, which if you did, you can make even more, that puts you in a spot to make even more money. But he's teaching plainly how to get your 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers within weeks, not months, not years, but within weeks, doing it legally, as well as after you get approved, how to maximize your income potential with Google AdSense. Okay. So he's banking $20,000, $30,000 a month, guys. He has 3 different channels, and he shows the back office of his channels, not his channels, but the back office with the Google payments that he's getting to his account. And he shows his ad revenue, and everything. And he shows you how to do exactly what he is doing to get the exact results that he's getting. Okay. It takes work. I will be honest with you. It takes work, but he has those step-by-step instructions. Like, if you want to lose weight, if you want to get your college degree, if you want to do something specific, you need the step-by-steps to do it, right? It's not going to happen overnight, but as long as you continually implement and take action on those steps, you'll get there. So on the course enrollment page, he has some testimonials of people who have gotten success with his course. I'm still fairly new in the process, but I've been going through the training. I'll take you into my back office just to prove that I have purchased his course. He has 2 courses. He has one that's just a beginner for $125, or I think it's on sale now for $105. And then he has a master class that after you implemented the strategies from the first course, you can enroll in that one with your earnings from the first course, and then teaches you another level into making money on YouTube. And that was $145. Look, those are cheap prices compared to what other people out here are charging. So you want to go ahead and jump in. And like I said, you can jump in the first link in the description. Not to sound salesy, but hey, if you want to, go ahead and check this sales page out. All right. So here's some of his screenshots that he's gotten. He first started in around March of 2017. And you see here in March, he made $15,835. This is his Google AdSense account. And then February, he made $25,000. I think he ran into some issues with YouTube, changing up the algorithms and policies there. And for a while, like a couple of months, until November, that's when he was being able to get back on and start making income again. Okay. And then here's your electronic deposits to his bank account. So guys, this is legit. This is real. He got his 1099 from Google. He made $63,000 in his first year of doing it, making money on YouTube with Google AdSense. So it's a very legit way, and I think you guys should check it out. So you go check the link in the description to go check out this course. See if it's something that you want to get into. And if not, then just ignore it. But don't forget, I'm going to remind you, subscribe to my channel, and also comment and like below if you are using this method or you think this method is worth researching and getting involved with it. Okay. So let me go ahead and I've signed in to the course here. Of course, I can't show you exactly everything that's in the course because that would be like, how do you have to pay for it? I'm showing it to you already. Let me log in. It's quick, it's easy, it's simple to log into Jordan's back office. They just sent me an email to my, one second here. I'm going to show you my personal email, so it should be fine. Confirmation code. I usually do this from my other laptop, not this one. All right, so the code WMBCI. All right, so I'm registered in his affiliate program, of course. So here it is, make money on YouTube, made easy. I'm 57% complete on the course. And here is his back office, his training, all right, for the first course. I got the lower or the beginner course. So first he goes to the introduction. He has a Facebook group, his personal contact information if you need it. He goes over all the, course instructions and all the ins and outs of the course, so the logistics and administrative stuff of the course. And then he goes on to how you set up your YouTube account and then your AdSense account and navigating YouTube. So he goes over all the ins and outs of that in detail. He shows you on his computer and does it with you. And then he goes over into module 3 and how you get monetized, and then the YouTube review process in 2 weeks. It might be a little longer now. He has just updated because YouTube is going through some changes now. He just updated his course saying, guys, hey guys, this change is coming out. I suggest you do this, that, and the other. So that's like I said earlier, that's one of the big positives about his course. Okay. And all he's doing is you pass it with one video. You create a YouTube account, you create your Google AdSense account, you post one video, and with that one video, you'll get approved to be a YouTube partner. It's straightforward, but you have to take action, and you have to go step by step and complete this training. Okay. Then he told you how the method he's going to use and how you can do it, guys. I'm just saying, it's very intuitive. You just have to put in the work. Right now I'm on module 6 because module 2, getting to the monetization review, I'm still on that process, but I'm still going through the training while I'm waiting to get approved for the monetization process. Okay. So like I said, guys, this training is really good. He has 12 modules. And after those 12 modules, you should start making a residual income just with YouTube AdSense. All right. And then you can go ahead and get the other course after you see results from this one, and you'll be on your way. So guys, that's my video for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel if you've gotten some value from this video. Thumbs up. Hit a put a comment below in this video if you're using the method that Jordan has already put in his course or not, or if you're going to use it. Tell me what you think. All right. And don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching this video, guys. I will see you guys on another day.